Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Shipt driver number on the Shipt Driver app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and drive for Shipt, and for some reason you're contacting support, so that you need your Shipt driver number. How do you actually go ahead and find that? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, click on the top left-hand corner where you see the hamburger icon. Then click on your profile icon on the top left-hand corner again. Then on the top left, you're going to see your driver number underneath your name. So click on that, and that's going to copy to your clipboard, and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your Shipt driver number. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.